Alright, hey guys, so today we are going to do something different. Alright, we have usually mounted a TV, a huge one, a huge TV. Alright, here I have a monitor. Okay, you can be using a huge TV mount to mount this monitor. Okay, you maybe want to mount this monitor on any pillars, or just to mount this monitor to show some information on your restaurant, or maybe in your store, your warehouse. You want to mount this monitor onto a pillar or even a wall. Alright, you cannot be using the huge TV mount to mount this monitor because this VESA right here, okay, it is small compared to the huge TV mount like the one behind there. Right, so today I'm going to show you how to mount this monitor onto this pillar. Okay, it could be your house, it could be your warehouse, it could be your restaurant, it could be a school, a park, or anywhere. Right, so first things first. Okay, by looking at this VESA, we know it is smaller compared to the huge TV you have. So here I have bought this Condomounts monitor mount actually. So this is from Amazon. Okay, this is a monitor mount by Condomounts. Alright, everything is included in here. The arm, this one is the bracket for the mount. Sorry, let me just show you this. It is the bracket for your mount. You place this behind your monitor. Alright, so according to the instruction, what we must do first, we must place these brackets onto the monitor. Alright, place these brackets onto the monitor. Alright, what I'll do here, I'll show you how to do it. Okay, I'm going to just tell you that all these screws are all together with this product, which is actually it makes my life easier, so all I need is this screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, which I have here. Okay, now we're going to place this this thing here. It was included with the mount, right, onto the back of the monitor. So according to the monitor, this is a 100 by 100 monitor. So you just place these screws first, don't tighten it first. If you tighten it first, you're going to have a hard time trying to place this bracket onto the monitor. Right? So I place these screws, use a Phillips screwdriver, and then you just tighten them one by one. Yeah, I'm doing it myself. I don't have anyone to help my friends out. So let's do it one by one. Alright, oops, hold on. Okay, just place it like this first, and then you tighten it. Okay, make sure all the screws are tightened into the monitor. Okay, we're done. Okay, here we have the monitor. The VESA bracket is placed tightly. Alright, so this is done. Okay, so we'll go to the next step. Alright, the next step here, we have this adapter, the pillar adapter by this Condomounts. Alright, it seems that it's very easy to place this pillar adapter onto the pillar. Okay, I'll just try it once. We'll see how it goes. So we just have to place this on the pillar first. Use these straps. Okay, use these straps to put into the ratchet like this. Okay, there's a hole right here. You just put it in. Yeah, it's not that heavy, you could do it yourself. It's not that heavy. And you just pull this outside like this. Make sure everything is tidy. Okay, and then you just pull it like this. This ratchet, they said that it is very easy. I'll just try it myself first. Yeah, it is easy. You just do this. Hold on. Okay, yeah, it's tight. It's easy. I just did it myself. Yeah, it's good. So it's very strong. Okay, maybe this extra strap right here, I just fold it this way so that it looks tidy, it looks neat, the monitor mount. Okay, for your information, I'm going to place this monitor mount at this park right here to let my kids enjoy the evening. Alright, so I've placed this one, then I'll go to the next strap. Same thing guys, same thing. Okay, and because this plate is quite small, with these two straps, it's really strong. It's really strong. And your monitor isn't so heavy, so you don't have to worry about the monitor falling off your mount. Okay, exactly the same way I have placed this mount. Okay, make sure everything is tidy. Alright. And then, yeah, looks pretty cool. It's strong. And I really hope it could withstand the weight of the monitor. I think it could. Alright, we are done with that. Yeah, so you could see the plate. It's really strong. It's good. Now let me see, what should I do next? Okay, here we have the two arms. Okay, these are included in the mount. Alright, we have already placed this main plate. Okay, so we're going to place these two arms. Okay, according to the instruction, you could only place this one arm and place your monitor up here, or if you want it to be longer, alright, if you want it to be longer, you could place this one, this arm first, and then place this arm right over the other arm like this. Alright, to secure both these arms, they have included this I would say a washer kind of thing. Alright, there are two types of washers. Okay, these washers, you place it into the holes given here. Okay, so the first washer here, it comes with these two holes. Okay, so you place it in here. Okay, it snugs right in. Use these screws to tighten the washers into place. Alright, and then use a screwdriver to screw it in. Okay, then you use the second washer right here with this square and then place it in like that. Sorry. Okay, you should make sure it snugs into the place. Put a screw, tighten it. Okay, so we are done. And these two, lid things, they have included two. And then I just think that you just place it to make sure it is tidy, it looks neat. Alright, so there you go. And for your information, this monitor mount right here, okay, it is a full motion monitor mount, which means you could turn the mount 360 degrees. And also, I'll show you one good thing about this mount. Alright, this thing right here, when you place the monitor, okay, as you know, I have placed the bracket behind. It's very easy, it seems. Okay, I'll show you how to do it. There's a pin like thing here. Okay, you just pull this and you just insert the monitor like this. Once there's a click sound, you are done. You are done placing the monitor onto the mount. Alright, so now I'll show you what is full motion. Okay, the monitor is already placed on the motion, the full motion monitor mount. Okay, just look at how it could spin. Okay, this monitor could be, you can turn this monitor way back here. Alright, and one thing that I like about this monitor mount, the best thing I like about this monitor mount, okay, it could be horizontal like this, or you could even turn the monitor to be in a portrait mode like this. Alright, this will be perfect as an advertisement board, a signage board that can be used in any restaurants, So you just put your advertisement here, your menus here, you just place it on any restaurants, or even in schools. You have kids who wants to learn about stuff, so you could use this monitor mount anywhere you want. Okay, and because it has a full motion, you could just turn this monitor any place you want. Okay, and another good thing about this monitor mount is you could move the monitor downwards. Okay, and you could just turn the monitor any way you want, guys. Okay, so that is the full motion Condomounts monitor mount. You could get yours online today and use it yourself too. See you guys on another video.